TOSTEM believes that windows and doors are the interfaces that bring people in harmony with nature. They let wind and light flow into the living space, enabling us to delight in the atmosphere and the sky, and obtain a sense of complete freshness. They are armors against nature's challenges, from powerful rains and winds to steaming heat and freezing cold. They are the promise of new beginnings, opening on to a new day. Forged by Japan, a land embraced by both the gifts and hardships of nature. Nurtured over half a century of innovation, TOSTEM's technologies lead towards the true coexistence of humans and their environment. Connecting living to nature. TOSTEM.